Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel.
My name is Nabila.
And my name is Nasywa. We from Nine Hadijah.
So today we want to tell you how to make
Dessert box Oreo.
The rules is for the first layer,
Put the Oreo that has been destroyed. And mix it. Next, add the Oreo mixture to the container.
turn on the stove. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Pour a box of liquid milk. Stir until blended. Okay. After the flour is cooked, put in the Oreo mixture that you have allowed to stand.
And the last step, put the last layer in the container. That's it.
That's all for today. Hope it's useful for you guys. Thank you and bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Lead us to these no explanation for coming this far, but things turned around.